My name is Tyson Valance, and I am going to teach you about atoms. Well, in this 4-cup cup, I have 3 liquids. One is vegetable oil. This one right here is water, and then the very last one is maple syrup. I'm going to explain to you that liquids are made out of atoms, and everything is made out of atoms. The vinegar, olive oil, is on the top because its atoms aren't as packed as the other liquids. The water is in the middle because its atoms are more packed than the vinegar, oil, and then less packed than the maple syrup. The maple syrup is the most packed out of all of them. That's why it's at the bottom. So, and I've got a couple of things over here that I'm going to drop in here. And the first one I'm going to drop in is the rock. As you see, it sunk all the way down through the maple syrup. So I have a little notebook here. Okay. Well, actually, I'm just going to say so, because I don't need to get so specific. Okay. So now, I'm going to drop in the cherry, which is supposed to be a grape, but we don't have any grapes, so we're going to get cherry. Okay. Cherry, it sunk to, it went all the way through the oil, and then it went through the water, but it did not go through the maple syrup. So it sunk to the syrup. And I also have a little chart here that it gives the, it points out where the oil is, where the water is, and where the syrup is. So, and now I have to drop in, I'm going to drop in the cork, which is right now, that one. No, it did not sink at all. So it floats. Floated. Okay, now let's go get a piece of ice. Now, I kind of forgot to tell you that the styrofoam didn't sink because its atoms don't give it enough weight to sink through the atoms of the oil. But as you see, the ice, if you can't see it, it's fine, but what it has done, it has sunk through the oil, but it did not. Its atoms are strong enough to sink it through the oil, but not strong enough to send it through the water. So that's what I forgot to tell you. Now here's like a bonus information. When when you see sand on the beach, when it looks like it's a solid, it looks like it's a blanket. And then, when you bend down and you examine, you hold it, feel it, and it turns into grains, you realize that it's not really together. Well, did you know that wood is like a piece of log? When you cut it up, if you slice into a dead log, open it up in the middle, there's little giblets. So a log is not a solid. See you next time.